So we move on to chemical sciences. Must have given it away a little bit with that pre-presentation slide. But while we try to establish contact مع winners, the chemical sciences, we're going to go through the honorable mentions, i.e. the same thing. So the papers who have been shortlisted, the top papers in this particular category. So the first one is synthesis, crystal structure, and antibacterial activity of new highly functionalized ionic compounds based on the imidazole nucleus. This is from جامعة قسنطينة. So well done to them for this honorable mention. من جامعة قسنطينة من نفس lab, from the same lab, we had another paper which made it to the top in chemical sciences, and this is a reaction of carbon disulfied with 2 bromoimidazolium salts. We really need the chemists to be pronouncing these things. Novel bicyclic mesoinic. Do you want to say the rest? Again, from the same lab, which is very impressive. 2 papers in the top papers in this category. Well done to them. From the same lab again, actually, 3 papers in the top papers in this category. Synthesis of new 3 heteroaryl 2-phenyliquinolines and their pharmacological activity as antimicrobial agents. Well done to them for this honorable mention. So this is really well done to them. So this is the same lab, 3 papers from the same lab from Constantine. Very impressive indeed. And the final honorable mention for chemical sciences, antimicrobial activity and phytochemical screening of Arbutus unido from Tlemcen. Well done to them for this honorable mention. And now, the winners of the 2014 Algerian Paper of the Year Awards in Chemical Sciences is design, synthesis, and anticoagulant activity of new flexible calyx 8-arene sulfonic acids. This is from the University of Qsantena and GGL with collaborations from Morocco. Well done to them for this win. I'm going to try to establish Dr. Zahia Kaboush. Assalamu alaikum.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
مبروك عليك سيدة زاهية كبوش على هذا الفوز. The 2014 Algerian Paper of the Year Award in Chemical Sciences is yours. How do you feel about this win?
Thank you very much. I'm very happy. You know, I would like to thank all the present there, especially our military, and especially the director of DDSDT, Professor Awad, who is working very hard to promote research in Algeria. I'm very happy because my co-workers and myself work very hard in Constantine to develop chemistry, and what can I say? I'm very happy. Thank you very much.
Again, مبروك عليك for this deserved win. بقى معانا Dr. Yusuf Mahallou is going to comment on your paper. تفضل يوسف.
So again, مبروك عليك Zahia. Your paper that won was the design, synthesis, anticoagulant activity of a new flexible calyx 8-arene sulfonic acids. Can you recognize it? She's offline. She's here. Good. So I actually really like this paper as someone who's got a chemistry background. It's always interesting to see the scientists is working with the new class of molecules. Yeah, it's becoming quite boring. People are always working with the small synthetic molecules. These guys, they're working with molecules that are very similar. I would call them nanographene. Yeah, so if you have a graphene, this wonder material that people are talking about, which is a benzene sheet, which is like this, just one layer of benzene all the way. she's making what we call rings. So she takes benzene rings and she attaches them to each other, 8 of them, to make a ring. Okay, just one layer, just going around and making it like a ring. And what they're trying to do, other people in the field, they're using this kind of molecules to use them to deliver anti-cancer compounds or antiviral compounds. What she's trying to do in their work in this paper, they took that ring and they tried to modify the chemistry of it. And what I really liked about it, they did not go and look at anti-cancer or antiviral. They actually focused on the anticoagulant activity. And this actually gave them a niche. Okay, they went somewhere where nowhere else is actually going with this class of molecules. Okay, if they went for anti-cancer, antiviral, other people are doing it. So they modified it. They went for anticoagulant activity. The compounds that they had are quite good. They need a lot of improvement in terms of biological activity, but it's very nice. The class of molecule was really good. The application of the anticoagulant activity is very good. And what also even more impressive is coupling the design and synthesis to the biological activity. You will find a lot of researchers, even here in the UK, they publish synthetic papers, they make compounds. We made them and they put them in the freezer or they just leave them, okay? But these guys, it's very nice to see that they couple their synthesis through collaborations, obviously, to go and explore the biological activity. So overall, I think it's an excellent paper. It's actually, looking at all the other papers, I think is very deserving winner of this category. So, well done.